Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to record a 4K video on the Nikon Z30. I have the camera right here, and let's go to the menu to adjust the video quality. So you can see for now, you can see I have it set to 1080p. This is where it's shown on the screen, and when I press on the menu, I can now go down on the left panel to go to video recording menu, and then go to frame size and frame rate. And there are three available 4K modes. 4K is basically 2160p, and these are the modes. So on the left side you can see the resolution, that's 4K, and on the right side you can see the frame rate, and it's 30, 25 or 24, which are just fine for casual videos, like for just videos where there's not too much action and that you don't want to slow down. Because if you want to slow down a video in the future, those modes will not be enough. The frame rate will not be good enough. So I would recommend using 1080p at like 120, 100 or 60 or even 50 to slow down. 50 can be slowed down twice without making the video not smooth enough. 60 can be slowed down also like twice basically. 100 can be slowed down 4 times, and 120 can be slowed down up to 5 times. Of course, you can also just slow down twice the 120, but remember this like 120p 1080 will use more storage than, let's say, 30 1080, and also a 4K at 30 fps will use more storage than, let's say, 1080 at 30 fps. You can also already shoot in slow motion, like automatically it slows down the video while it's being recorded, but you can later edit it as well if it's recorded in good enough fps. Yeah, but the 4K is not for slowing down, unless you want to slow down just a tiny little bit, but that would be even unnoticeable. For that I would say 30, but 30 is just like smoother than 25. It's not great for slowing down, to be honest. So these are the modes that you can set. Once it's set, you can go back and click on menu, and you're recording in that mode. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.